Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel Rimsha Decoration. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or all like video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. And please make sure press the bell icon. So you told any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. So guys, please watch this video to end. And then don't miss any other amazing video designs, decorations. So guys, I am back a beautiful idea about creamy cake decorations in different styles, different color combinations, different sizes. Here are some amazing, delicious and eye-catching creamy chocolate cake decorating ideas that suit both homeland and professional parties. I hope you enjoy my video. Most beautiful, most amazing and most creative designs. I provide you simple cake decorating ideas that enhance the decorations and beauty of your cake. That the essentials most creative designs. I hope you enjoy my cake decorative ideas and the creativity of my are mentioned on my YouTube video. Thank you so much guys to watch my video designs and decorations. I hope you enjoy my video. If you are interested in these types of designs, videos and decorations, then please guys like my YouTube video. If you are interested in these types of collections, then please visit my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. And I hope you enjoy my collections that is most essential, that is most creative. I hope you enjoy my video. And I hope you love my cake designs. And I hope you love the creativity. So if you are creative, then you use different designs for your cake. Thank you so much guys to watching, to like, to share my YouTube video and subscribe my YouTube channel. And I hope this design, this creativity are fantastic. And I hope you like this video. And I hope this video is very authentic and very creative. So guys, thank you so much guys to watch my video and to like share my YouTube video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Most trending article for my viewers. If you new my channel, don't miss any other amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Cake decoration ideas can evaluate any celebrations. Cake decoration ideas transfer space into bright celebrations. All the designs are very unique and trending. If you like more ideas, specific decorating tips, please visit my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. These designs bring the excitement of birthday person's life and make the party unforgettable. If you like any designs and if you new my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And please make sure press the bell icon if you don't miss any other amazing video like this one. And please make sure press the bell icon. You can use each theme perfect for birthday celebration, baby showers, bridal showers or any other celebrations. I hope you like this decoration with themed and color combinations. Whether simple or beautiful, cake showcase love and celebrations. I am sure cake decoration ideas from this video. If you like any designs and take a screenshot of it and also do try my amazing cake recipe. They are so easy to make and absolutely delicious. If you want to see complete video, then please visit my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much everyone. Allah Hafiz.